Welcome to LIGNA 2023. My name is Ben Williams from Stiles Machinery in the US. We're here at LIGNA in Germany for our digital solutions, representing digital solutions. We're featuring everything from cloud-powered solutions, manufacturing execution systems, everything in between, from ERP to engineering all the way through MES and service. So you can see behind me here we have a wide array of machinery. These machines are running from our cloud-powered solutions. Everything from parts kitting, sorting, capacity planning. We have edge management systems here. What's new for us for LIGNA this year is we have what's called the Function Plus feature on the machine. What that allows you to do is think of it like an app store. If you get a machine and there's a feature or function that you want to add to it, maybe 2 or 3 years from now, it's located in the machine already, it's easy to unlock, so you can just select it as an option, open it up, loads right to the machine. In a very short period of time, you can be up and using your new software. Over here on this side of the show, we have all of our digital products from Homag, which includes, again, everything from optimization, cutting, nesting, engineering solutions, manufacturing execution systems for capacity planning, sorting, job tracking, parts tracking. So stay tuned for more information from LIGNA. We will have all the details coming to you soon. Thanks again.